Welcome to your personal demo coach experience of the 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. Hyundai's midsize SUV is all new for 2013, and it's gotten bigger and better. There's a more powerful engine, and the Santa Fe can now accommodate 7 passengers. Quite a change from earlier models. A 6-speed automatic transmission is standard. The Santa Fe is also available with a 190 horsepower, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder and a 264-horse turbocharged 2-liter 4. Both feature direct injection, dual overhead cams, and return great fuel economy. The Santa Fe has 2 stylish body styles, highlighting the choice of 2 or 3-row seating, though the primary difference is side windows. There's even an available panoramic sunroof. Heating the rear seats and steering wheel are optional. Directly ahead of the driver, electroluminescent gauges are easy to read, even in the daylight. The dash and all the controls are designed with ease of use in mind. A push-button start, keyless entry, and an LCD trip computer are available. This fun-to-drive vehicle serves equally well as a sport utility vehicle or a minivan. There's McPherson struts up front and an independent multi-link suspension at the rear. Hyundai's standard vehicle stability management system creates a full driver aid suite by combining stability control, traction control functions, and electronic power steering. It can even counter-steer on an icy road. Want 4-wheel disc brakes and anti-lock brakes? The Santa Fe has them, plus 7 standard airbags, including one for the driver's knees. The bigger and better Santa Fe crossover SUV offers spectacular versatility, safety, and value. Talk to your Hyundai sales professional about which Santa Fe is right for you.